Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to show you how to draw and paint bees. Okay, let's start.
First, draw the sketch. Then paint the flower with a thin layer of cerulean blue. Add darker spots to the flower with a mixture of cobalt blue and ultramarine blue. Add yellow cadmium to the yellow parts of the bee. Then add darker spots inside the flower with the tip of brush. After that, paint the black parts of the bee. Then add the wings with the light gray. Add the brightest spots inside the flower with the white gouache. And form the petals with a mixture of cobalt and ultramarine blue and a little indigo. Use the wet on wet technique and make the background green. Then add a little bit of cerulean blue on the background and fade it. Add white spots to the further flowers and use soft green to add leaves on the right side of the flowers. Add more details to the bee and the flowers. Then wet the top of the paper and add light blue around the screen. Finally, add some purple and green to the left side of the paper.
Okay guys, I hope you enjoy watching this work. Please don't forget to like and subscribe if you like our work. Just don't forget to انا روشنه Just don't forget to like and subscribe if you like our work. Bye till next time.